know what Pinterest analytics are important and which ones aren't? There's a lot on Pinterest analytics, and you could need a mathematics degree to be able to understand all of it. But today, I'm going to show you the 5 things that you should look at consistently each month. Welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, my name is Jen Vasquez, and I help female business owners to create marketing systems that easily drive traffic to all of your content so that you can gain more clients. And if you could use help with any of that, consider subscribing below. Tip number 1, the first analytic that you should look at are close-ups. Close-ups are the number of times people have tapped your pin to take a closer look. And what this tells you is either the text that you used on the graphic maybe is too small or too hard to read, or they wanted to take a closer look to see if it was worth clicking or to save to one of their boards. The second analytic is repins. This measures the number of times a user pins your pin to their board. This is typically used for inspiration, things that people want to create or they want to do or they want to buy down the road. One way of describing it is if you are planning your wedding, you'll pin a bunch of pins to your wedding board so that you can start to look at the colors and the style that you like, maybe things you want to make, that kind of thing. So time out. I have a special gift for you. It's 10 free templates in Pinterest. And these are very easy Canva templates that all you have to do is slide in your image, adjust the colors to your brand, or adjust the colors to the image so it's visually appealing. And you could add these to your marketing system or process. So whenever you create content, you could quickly make these pins to add to a blog post or to pin to Pinterest that will be continuing to drive traffic back to your podcast, your YouTube video, your blog, whatever your service or products are all about. So you can get that in the link below and enjoy. The third analytic is clicks. Clicks are one of the most important analytics in that it tells you that the content that you are creating is actually working. People are actually clicking on it to either find out more, read more, buy more, or learn how to do something. And when you're using Pinterest for your business, you're using it as a marketing tool. You want people coming to your website or your content. That could be your podcast, YouTube video, Instagram, wherever you want to send people to. The fourth analytic is your top pins. These are the top 50 performing pins during the last 30 days or whatever analytics you choose, but the default is a 30-day period. And those are based on impressions, clicks, and repins. This matters because it lets you know if your content is actually resonating with the people that are following you or the people that are looking at your pins. So if you have 3 content buckets for your business and all of the pins that are the best performing pins are all specifically about the content that you create, teach, sell, or have business with, then you're doing the right thing. If you create 5 pins for one piece of content, let's say a blog post, and one of the pins is way high up on the list, it's like the 3rd or 5th most popular pin, you know that people were drawn to that pin specifically, whether it's the type of image or the color or the text, the content, the actual sort of title of the pin, then you know you can make more content like that and more specifically more pins like that because the analytics are telling you that that's doing well. And the 5th one, the last analytic to look at, although there's a bunch more, but the top 5 most important, and the 5th one is top boards. These are the top boards in the last 30 days that have impressions, the most repins, the most clicks. These are the most effective in your marketing plan. And fortunately, if some of those top 3 to 5 boards are your specific content that you teach or sell or provide to people, then you know you're doing something right. If they happen to be sort of an outliner board that is not super important to your brand or your business, but it's sort of connected to your business as a whole, and if that keeps being the most or top performing board month after month, you may consider adding a piece of whatever that board is about into your business plan, because people are interested and finding your content exciting. I would really love a favor if you wouldn't mind putting in the comments below which tip was most surprising to you. That would be really helpful, because maybe I'll make a video about that specific tip and dive deeper in that for you. Today we went over top 5 analytics that matter on Pinterest, and I hope that you enjoyed this content. Please let me know in the comments below if there's anything else that you are dying to know about Pinterest, because I do take the information in the comments to heart when I create more content. Have a great day. Bye.